Welcome to Xrero Accounting. Let's dive in. The accounting module is where your business records every sale, purchase, and payment, keeps the books balanced, and produces the financial and tax reports you need to run the company and stay compliant in the UAE. Every accounting screen is reached from the menu bar at the top. The finance dashboard is your one-page health check. Without running a single report, you can see how much cash you have, who owes you, what you owe, and where your VAT stands. A customer invoice is the bill you send a customer for goods or services you have sold. Creating an invoice records the sale in your books, income, and VAT, and tracks what the customer owes you. A credit note is a negative invoice. It reverses or reduces a customer invoice you have already posted. Use it when a customer returns goods, when you overcharged, when you give a post-sale discount, or when you need to cancel a posted invoice, which can no longer be edited. This screen lists every payment received from customers. Use it to see what has come in and to record money that was not registered directly from an invoice. The vendors area is the mirror image of customers. Instead of money you are owed, it tracks money you owe to suppliers. Every invoice, bill, and payment ultimately becomes a journal entry, a balanced set of debits and credits in the general ledger. The chart of accounts is the master list of every account your books use: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. This is where the VAT rates live. The UAE standard 5% sales, output, and purchase, input, taxes are pre-configured, along with 0%, zero-rated, and exempt. The reporting menu turns your postings into the statements you need to manage the business and satisfy the auditor and the FTA. These are the UAE-specific tools built into Xrero. They're grouped under the single UAE Tools menu. Configuration is where you set things up once, so day-to-day work runs smoothly. You normally visit it only at the start or when something changes. Glossary of accounting terms. Open it and click Reset to draft to edit it, or issue a credit note to reverse it. You cannot delete a posted, numbered invoice. That is Xrero Accounting. Start your free trial today.